Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So actually there are different ways how you can do that. So the first one, you need to go to your inbox section at the bottom right corner in your TikTok application, and then you need to open a chat with the person you want to block. Here it is, and then at the top right corner you will see 3 dots button. You need to click on that one button, and then the last one option, block, you need to click on that one button and then block again. So and then as you can see this person will be blocked, and actually you can unblock him by clicking on the unblock button. So the second way how you can block someone is to go to your following list or open anyone's profile on home page or on search page, it doesn't matter, and then at the top right corner click on the share icon. Here it is, and then you will see 3 different options: report, block and QR code. You need to click on the second one option, block, and then block again. So and after that this person will be blocked. So and that's how to block someone on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.